Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is broccoli bacon soup. Okay, we're going to saute some onions to start. So we'll just melt our butter and we'll add our chopped onion. And we'll saute those until they're softened and set aside. Now we're going to melt some butter in a soup pot. And then we're going to add our flour, which will make the roux for our soup. And this is what will make the soup thick. So you're going to whisk this for a couple minutes just to get that flour cooked. Then slowly you're going to add your half and half cream. Now you want to do it slowly so that the cream or milk, if you're choosing to use milk, doesn't curdle. So slowly add in your half and half, whisking as you do this, and then add your chicken stock. Now if you want to make this more vegetarian, you can also add vegetable stock. Now we're going to let this simmer for around 15 minutes, and then we're going to add our chopped broccoli, our julienne carrots, and the onions that we had sauteed earlier. Stir this until it's all mixed together. And then we're going to let this simmer for another 20-25 minutes until the vegetables are softened. Now the smaller you cut the vegetables, the quicker it will cook. You can use frozen if you choose. It may cook a little quicker that way. Once this is simmered for 25 minutes, I'm going to add some bacon and some salt and pepper. And just add as much pepper and salt to your liking, just to taste. Stir this all together. And then I am going to use the emulsion blender and I'm going to puree the soup. Now if you don't have an emulsion blender, you can use a regular blender and you'll have to do this probably in batches. You can do this until it's completely creamy, or you can have chunks. Then I'm going to add some cheddar cheese and stir that in. You can add any kind of cheese that you wish to. I like to use the old cheddar, and then I just top it off with some more bacon and some more cheese. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.